This is one of the best brownie recipe I have tried so far, and it uses all the natural ingredients and tastes amazing. I have used 10 by 12 cake pan. You can also use 9 by 13 or 11 by 11. Hi, this is Spoorthy here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Start by setting up the double boiler. The water in the bottom pan has to come to a boiling point before placing the top pot. Pour 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips on the top pot. Add about 1 cup of butter, that's 2 sticks. Make sure to use good quality chocolate and butter. Keep stirring until the chocolate chips and the butter is completely melted. This mixture will be very hot when it's done. Keep it aside to come to the room temperature. You can use it in the brownie batter once it cools down. In a large mixing bowl, take 4 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, add 1 cup dark brown sugar, 1 cup white sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Blend all the ingredients and add the prepared chocolate and the butter melted mixture. I have added 1 cup of all-purpose flour and blended well for at least a minute or 2. Add the prepared brownie batter into a greased pan and bake at 325 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Each oven is different, and I did a toothpick test to see if the brownie was cooked. You can serve by itself, or you can serve with a scoop of cold caramel ice cream.